Hi, this is Marina and this is Cherry Nutrition page. And today we will cook chicken mushroom cream soup. Chicken breast is a great source of selenium, phosphorus, niacin and B vitamin. It can build and maintain your muscle mass and bones. Also, it can reduce appetite as animal protein can keep you full for longer, which can prevent overeating. Mushrooms contain a lot of B vitamins, which is essentially important for our heart health, and vitamin E, which we need for our healthy skin. Enjoy and stay healthy!